Jai Hind everyone. I am V. Suhasini from Civil Branch 3rd year, a volunteer of NSS CSIT. I remember the day when I enrolled as an NSS volunteer just for enjoyment and mainly for the reason of social service. From that day, my involvement with NSS increased and I realized the amount of work we could do to help others. There is inexplainable joy in giving especially one's time and support to others that is far greater than the pleasure of receiving from others. In these 3 years of NSS journey, NSS taught me to develop my own personality through community services, discipline, and to work with teams like a family. I want all the youths and my colleagues to join NSS because NSS can bring immense changes in everyone's life. While a lot of good work is being done under NSS, there is a potential of doing much more. I will always give my best and I am always ready to serve this society with my services. I also request you all to come forward and take an initiative to serve this society, to serve this nation in a very energetic way. I am very thankful to our NSS in charge ma'am, Mrs. Pratibha Kurup, and our seniors of our NSS family, and also the colleagues of NSS family who motivated me to join NSS, appreciated me on my every success, and inspired all of us to do new and creative things that will help us to shape our future. Lastly, I would request you all to follow our social media platforms like NSS CSIT in Instagram, NSS CSIT Durg in Facebook, and NSS CSIT in YouTube. Do subscribe and follow our channel in YouTube and like and share our social media pages in all the platforms. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone. We have power, we have faith. We will make our nation great. We advise, we are brave. We defend our society from dangerous way. With this lovely motivational quote, I introduce myself. My name is Kanchan Navik. I am from 3rd year Computer Science and Engineering branch. Being the part of NSS volunteer, we learn importance of selfless services and eventually gain a lot of benefits that helps in personal growth. Our NSS unit indulges in a wide range of activities which include various activities and special career programs. It improves our communication, meet a stage fear, and to gain a lot of self-confidence. Being an NSS volunteer, you get to know the society very closely. You meet new person, do good for them, and gain satisfaction. And you also develop a sense of gratitude for the things that you often take for granted. As we know that due to this pandemic situation, everyone stays at home. But as an NSS volunteer, you can do something for the society during this time also. Like you can feed the street dogs and cows, spread good news and kindness. And for the future aspect, we can do plantation of trees, their preservation and uplift, where the chances of cutting trees will be less. Through this, we can maintain the oxygen level near us and also be able to maintain the environment index. From this, we always protect our climate and our earth. Apart from this, we can do many more things for the society. I am participating for the post of President and Vice President. Thank you for hearing me and support me.
Jai Hind everyone. No one is more cherished in this world rather than a person who always lightens the burden of another. This is Nidhi Dubey from CSE 3rd year, and yes, I am a proud NSS volunteer. What does an NSS volunteer actually do? It is his responsibility to always remain in the touch with the community. I have been part of NSS from past 3 years, and it has been just a wonderful experience for working for the college to going for a 7-day camp. I am here to share my experience for going for a 7-day camp to Thanod with my NSS in charge Dr. Pratibha Kurup ma'am, and yes, with my fellow batchmates. Their first day was carried up by the orientation program where we were beautifully welcomed. And yes, next day was followed up by a morning schedule where we go throughout the villages, making villagers aware about the social causes and affairs by shouting the slogans. Next day, further it was carried up by the yoga sessions and guest lectures by different guests who always comes and motivate us with their words. In the evening, we got a chance to interact with the children of that particular village. We got a chance to play games with them, dancing, etc. We enjoyed a lot. This whole process was carried up by till the 6th day, and last day it was just worth remembering, with a particular ending up with a camp night where we enjoyed a lot. It was just like a party where we celebrated our work, and indeed I am looking forward for again a such wonderful experience with my fellow batchmates. And yes, after this pandemic is done.
जय हिंद। मेरा नाम अनमोल सिंह सरोया है। मैं 2018 से एनएसएस परिवार का सदस्य हूं। मैंने अपने एनएसएस के पहले वर्ष में थनौद में हो रहे डिस्ट्रिक्ट कैंप में भी भाग लिया है। इस महामारी के कठिन समय में एनएसएस की कई ऑनलाइन प्रतियोगिता में भी मैंने हिस्सा लिया है। मेरे एनएसएस के पहले वर्ष में ज्वाइन करने के निर्णय से मैं बहुत खुश हूं, क्योंकि मैंने एनएसएस से बहुत कुछ सीखा है। जैसे कि मैंने टीम वर्क सीखा, इवेंट मैनेज करना सीखा, और सबसे महत्वपूर्ण मैंने टाइम मैनेजमेंट सीखा कि कैसे सोशल वर्क के साथ साथ अपनी पढ़ाई को भी साथ लेके चले। सोशल वर्क करके जो खुशी मिलती है वो मुझे एनएसएस में आके ही पता चला। इन एनएसएस के 3 सालों में मुझ में कई बदलाव आए। जैसे मुझे टीम के साथ वर्क करना आया और मुझे इवेंट को मैनेज करना आया। मैं चाहता हूं कि मैं अपनी इंजीनियरिंग नॉलेज को यूज करके सोसाइटी के लिए कुछ प्रोडक्टिव थिंक कर सकूं। तो ये सब जो बातें थी मैंने अपने 3 सालों से सीखी, और मैं उत्सुक हूं कि आगे मैं क्या क्या सीख सकता हूं। जय हिंद।
Jai Hind everyone, I am Mohan Chandra Jyoti. I am a third year student from mechanical branch, and I am also one of the candidate for the elections. I had been in the NSS family from 2018, and I had attended a 7-day camp in Thanod, which was held on 2019 February. I have also worked in many occasions of our college as a volunteer, like induction program, Independence Day, Republic Day, etc. And I have also participated in many competitions, and recently I have secured first place in the best out of waste competition, which was organized by NSS CSVT. And this was all about me and what I have done. So now talking about my future plans, I am planning to organize different competitions on online platform due to the COVID scenario, which we will be giving you exciting prizes and also e-certificates. We have to spread awareness about the coronavirus on social media, and we will do this together. Good volunteers will be recognized with the certificate of recognition under my leadership. Every vote is precious for our team, so it's my humble request to all of you that everyone have to give your votes for a fair selection. Jai Hind.